Ancient palaces in downtown Seoul are particularly cherished by soundscape researchers. Adjacent to the Seoul Plaza, the palace is surrounded by loud traffic noise. The noise may be unbearable for the guards standing by the gate. However, a step inside the palace leads to a surprisingly quiet world. The secret is the stone walls encircling the palace, which disperse the outside sound upwards. The walls send the sounds up high, making it subdued and almost dreamy. The wooden eaves and roofs reflect and absorb the sound waves at the same time. Inside the buildings, the complex dancheon structure of the ceiling helps diffuse the sound and makes even a small vibration resound clearly and gracefully. A beautifully structured soundscape, Sung Ki-won once called it Ta-u-rim, which means the inherent vibrations of a certain place. In other words, the palace has its own intrinsic sound. The vision of soundscape lies in the time-honored wisdom from the past when people were closer to sound. In Seoul, sound is more proximate and important than we think. Acoustic fragments that we neglect might be the lost scenes of our lives. The incessant sounds heard around Seoul sometimes feel dull and meaningless. This megacity seems to be indifferent to its residents. But you are already part of that sound, and only you can discover its meaning.